So that we can start our next session, which is related to child delegates' speeches, video messages from WHO, officials and other students who are participating, not only from Pakistan but from other parts of the world as well. So I would now like to invite Musfira Mehraj to please come here on the stage and on the podium and moderate the next session, which is going to be started shortly. So I would request Musfira Mehraj to please come here and take her position on the podium so that she can moderate the next session, which is going to be started shortly. Thank you.
Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Distinguished guests and my dear students, Assalam-o-Alaikum. I, Musfira Mehraj from Hamdard Public School, honored to be the moderator of this conference. Dear participants, on behalf of Hamdard Foundation Pakistan and Hamdard Public School, Karachi, it is my great pleasure to warmly welcome you all to the 34th International Children's Health Conference 2026, being held in connection with World Health Day. We are truly honored by the presence of our distinguished guests who have joined us today to support and encourage young voices speaking for global health. Before we begin our program, allow me to introduce the respected personalities who are with us today. Chief guest of the conference is Professor Dr. Ataur Rahman, Mrs. Sadia Rashid, President Hamdard Foundation Pakistan, President of the conference, Dr. Mukhtar Hussain Bhayo, Head of WHO Sub-Office Sindh. Dr. Khalid Naseem, Administrator, Hamdard Public School and Hamdard Village School, Karachi, and other dignitaries. We extend a warm welcome to all our guests. Thank you for joining us today. Esteemed guests and dear students, on 7th April 1948, an organization was founded under the umbrella of the United Nations and was named as World Health Organization, WHO. From its inception at the First Assembly of United Nations 1948 and since taking effect in 1950, has aimed to create awareness and to work on international health, specifically to acclimate priorities and to focus on crucial aspects of public health. Every year on 7th April, the world observes World Health Day, an initiative led by the World Health Organization to raise awareness about the most pressing health challenges facing humanity. Each year, a theme is selected by the World Health Organization to highlight a global health priority. This year, the theme, Together for Health, Stand with Science, urges us to recognize the power of scientific collaboration, to trust evidence, and to work hand in hand for a healthier and safer world. It reminds us that when nations, communities, and minds unite, science becomes not just knowledge, but a force that saves lives and shapes a better future. The theme for World Health Day 2026 is Together for Health, Stand with Science. This theme is a powerful reminder that science is one of the strongest tools humanity possesses to protect life and build a healthier future. In a world where challenges know no borders, science becomes our common language. And today, we stand together stronger than ever for a healthier future. Honorable guests and dear participants, today's gathering is not just a meeting of minds, but a celebration of unity. Because when we stand together for science, we stand for life itself. From laboratories to living rooms, from research to real lives, today we unite under one purpose: together for health, stand with science. From life-saving vaccines to medical innovations, from disease prevention to environmental protection, science has transformed the way we understand and protect health. This year's campaign strongly highlights the One Health approach, which recognizes that the health of people, animals, plants, and our environment are closely connected. When the environment is harmed, human health suffers. When animals become sick, diseases may spread to humans. Therefore, scientists, doctors, researchers, and policymakers must work together to protect the health of our entire planet. This year's campaign is further strengthened by two major global scientific gatherings. The first is the International One Health Summit, bringing together world leaders, scientists,